Gising ka ng alas 5 ng umaga para lang di malate sa Katipunan. Kung sa Katipunan ka na lang tumira, Avida The Heights Katipunan, a peaceful hillside home near everything that matters. Own your own space for as low as 50,000 pesos reservation with 10% spot down payment. See the lifestyle you deserve. Watch how it feels to live 5 minutes away from Ateneo, UP, and UPTC, where mornings are calm and traffic stress-free. Alam mo yung feeling na araw-araw mo binabagtas ang Katipunan, pero di mo naiisip, pwede ko pala itong tirhan. Hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang laki ng budget, kasi minsan, ang tinitirhan mo mismo, siya na ang best investment mo, Avida. The Heights Katipunan offers you a rare chance to own an Ayala land property in one of QC's most sought-after locations.